Alright, my brain dump number 16. Which of the following can help detect trespassers in a secure facility? Select 2. Motion detection sensors and security guards. The IT department is deploying new computers. To ease this transition, users will be allowed to access their old and new systems. The help desk is receive reports that users are experiencing the following error when attempting to log into their previous system. Logon failure, access denied. Which of the following can cause this issue? And that is certificate issues. A third-party penetration testing company was able to successfully use an ARP cache poison technique to gain root access on a server. The tester successfully moved to another server that was not in the original network. Which of the following is the most likely method used to gain access to the other host? And that's pivoting. So they're able to actually get into one and then just pivot around. So just kind of think, like basketball, for example. You're in the hole, right under the hoop, and you just kind of pivot around so you get your nice sweet shot or be able to pass it back around. Same concept with this. They get inside and they just can pivot to different systems inside there. And the security administrator wants to ensure credentials are encrypted in transit when implementing a Radius server for SSO. Which of the following are needed given these requirements? Select 2. And that's you need a public key and a private key. The Poodle attack is a man-in-the-middle exploit that affects SSL version 3.0 with CBC mode cipher. A flaw was found in the way SSL 3.0 handled padding bytes when encrypting messages encrypted by using block ciphers and cipher block chaining in CBC mode. To determine the ALE of a particular risk, which of the following must be calculated? Select 2. Basically, which two of these are going to go into ALE? I actually think I've said earlier on a different slide that was close to this. And that is the ARO and SLE. Which of the following are used to increase the computing time it takes to brute force a password using an offline attack? Select 2. And that is the PBKDF2 and bcrypt. Users in a corporation currently authenticate with a username and password. The security administrator wishes to implement two-factor authentication to improve security. Which of the following authentication methods should be deployed to achieve this goal? And smart card. The security administrator needs to address the following audit recommendations for a public-facing SFTP server. Users should be restricted to upload and download files to their own home directories only. Users should not be allowed to use interactive shell login. Which of the following configuration parameters should be implemented? So you guys select 2 of them. And that's root directory and permit TDY. I almost said TDY for a second there. But yeah, so root directory and permit TTY. An organization recently moved to its custom web applications to the cloud, and it's obtaining managed services of the back-end environment as part of its subscription. Which of the following types of services is this company now using? And that's CASB. Security broker. CASB gives you both visibility into your entire cloud stack and a security automation tool for your IT team needs. Which of the following is commonly done as part of a vulnerability scan? And that's identifying unpatched workstations. Because you're not pen testing or anything. Your vulnerability scan is to not damage or disrupt workflow that's already happening in an organization. So exploiting stuff, no. Cracking stuff, no. Sending phishing emails, no. So identifying unpatched workstations is the only option that's actually viable here. Awesome. That actually wraps up. Wow. All right, cool. So I'm going to go to part 3. So stay included for the next video. Thank you, guys.